Welcome back. We're back in this position. Um, let's get to it. So these first few that I'm gonna do are from my last workshop. They wanted me to unmold it for them, so here we are. We did a spooky, what was it? A Summerween event. Oh, this is gorgeous. We did a Summerween event on Wednesday, and it was super cute. I did spooky Halloween themed things. I love that. Then these two are very similar. They're from, everybody likes pink. Am I the only person that doesn't like pink? Like that anyways? Ah, come on. These molds, like I love them, but wait, yeah. That was dramatic. Oh, this is Gorgina. This is so cute. I like little stars on the skull. I love that. I kind of like that there's a star like right in the middle right there. These are for different people, but I remember who did what, so I can mix them up and still identify who's what is what, you know? But yeah, class was super fun. There was like aura photography, all types of fun things were going on. It was such a great space to be in. Fellow creatives, spiritual folks, aura photography. I did another aura photography thingy. Well, not aura reading, but aura photography. And I want y'all to know my picture is drastically different. Like, not completely different, but it's a vast difference from that first one that I did. I also realized that I was wearing a Harry Potter shirt in my first one, the one that says, "I solemnly swear I'm up to no good." And then this time I was wearing another Harry Potter shirt. It's the one with the Quidditch goals. It says, "I'm a keeper." Just like, maybe, you know, it's a sign. Anyways, super fun. Shout out to Arcana ATL for putting that on, inviting me out to, you know, showcase my offerings. Ah, my goodness. Y'all know I hate this mold. Like, I love it, but hey, ooh, okay. This goes with that rolling tray, vanity tray, accessory tray, and that mini trinket dish that I made in a similar, very similar style and color pattern thingy. It's supposed to look like smoky quartz with some gold flakes in it. Oh my goodness. This thing is sealed in there. Okay, we're at 3 minutes and change. Can we get done by 5 minutes? Because I have one more thing. About to start sweating, Jesus. Okay, come on, baby. This thing is tight. This thing is tight. Like, boy. Come on, come on, come on. Are we caked? Oh yeah, we're caked. Jeez. I don't know if you can see, it's like, it's gonna take the mold with it. Yep, it's gonna take the mold because it should not. I thought it was just hard to get separate, like between the edge. Like, I thought maybe like there was some resin that spilled over, but oh my. Underneath this fro, it is hot. Trying not to cut myself or damage my nails. I'm gonna have to cut this out. This is wild. I'm about to burn up my food because I'm trying to cook something real quick. And I said, let me do this while that's doing okay. All right, see? Separation. Separation. That's not what the song says. Come on. Where we at? Oh, it's at 5 minutes now. Yeah, that's not. We were doing so well. I think I might leave this last one for now. I'm trying to do shorter videos just so that they end up on the YouTube short side, because I realize that those get more views, but y'all are trying to grieve me. I think I need a new mold. Yeah, this mold is old anyways. I've had it for over 5 years. So I think it's ran its course. Just when I started to really make it, like, use it for stuff too. Let's let it go. Just got a text about one of the items. I'm trying to decide if, well, trying to find out if they want their skull to be just a skull or a keychain. I will post at the end of this what they decided. My nail tech is watching this. I'm sorry. This is why my nails be doing what they be doing. Oh my god, there's something tight. That's tight and it has squeezed me. I really cut myself. Actually, I think that might just be my cuticle because I don't use my cuticle oil. Come on. I like this angle because you get to see the full scope of what I'm doing versus it just like cropping right here. Oh, I'm sweating. Between this hair, this light, my AC just kicked on because I tell y'all what I keep my AC on, y'all gonna judge me, so I'm just mind your business. Just know it's warm in here. And wow, that was an exercise. So yeah, I actually really like this. I gotta, dang it, really, you can see in the corners there, it really took the silicone with it. Yep, that's done. I love this design. I hope I can find it the same one, but this is gonna be a striker. I'll post more pictures of this also when I'm done. It fell in a popping spot. We're just gonna put that there. You know what? This, let me see. I've never used this mold before. This is the first time I've used it. This has actually been sitting for a really long time. Has it been a year? It could have been a year. Because I was trying to use it for something, but now I'm just like, I just want to see how it came out. I want to see how deep, how wide it is. There's all these innuendos today. Okay, that is, it's a hefty girl. Okay, I'm not mad at that. Pretty deep. Okay, yeah, I gotta make the top part and the contents that are supposed to be in there. See? Anyways, so while we're adding things now, we got 3 pink skulls, a spider web, a striker in the making, and half a box. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast. Catch up on all my unmoldings to see things I've made over the years. Follow me on all the social media platforms. It's Pointless Creates for everything. And just like everything we do here at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this damn near 10-minute unmolding. Bye.